Maha Shivaratri at Sannyasi Shivdham, Medaghat Baksa, BTR, Assam. About Sannyasi Shivdham. Sannyasi Shivdham, sometimes written Sannyasi Shiva, is a Shiva shrine located in Medaghat within Baksa district of the Bodoland Territorial region, Assam. It's a sacred place dedicated to Lord Shiva that attracts devotees from across the local area and beyond, especially on auspicious days like Maha Shivaratri. Maha Shivaratri 2026. Maha Shivaratri is a major Hindu festival honoring Lord Shiva. The festival is observed annually on the Falguna Krishna Chaturdashi, according to the Hindu calendar, and in 2026 falls on Sunday, February 15th. Devotees observe fasting, night-long prayers, pujas and vigils at Shiva temples and sacred shrines like Sannyasi Shivdham. What happens at Sannyasi?
Maha Shivaratri at Sannyasi Shivdham in Medaghat Baksa, BTR, Assam. Maha Shivaratri at Sannyasi Shivdham in Medaghat Baksa, BTR, Assam is a major annual celebration attracting devotees from across the region to offer prayers. The site features a significant shrine associated with the local community, where festivities often include a mela, fair, beginning around February 15th, noted in Instagram posts. Key aspects of Shivaratri in Baksa/Assam. Venue: Sannyasi Shivdham, Medaghat Baksa District, Bodoland Territorial Region, BTR. Celebration: thousands of devotees gather for the great night of Shiva to offer prayers and perform rituals, including abhishek with milk, curd, and honey. Rituals: devotees observe fasting, meditate, chant Om Namah Shivaya, and engage in jaagaran, staying awake all night.